So, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem amma ba'd fa'a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربنا زدنا علما اللهم فقهنا في الدين. Am I sharing a screen or no? No.
No.
Oh, sorry. I thought I shared screen. Here you go. So we done this one anyway. This is not, I'll just move forward. It's not that one. No, this one either. So we are in here. Okay. First we done the single mufrad, the singular letters. Yeah. The letters,
Yeah.
the alphabet. And now we are going to join the letters to make compounds. Do you know compounds? Must be, yeah,
Yeah.
compounds,
Yeah.
not full sentence but compounds. So
Mm-hmm.
that's what we are going to use
Mm-hmm.
all these letters, and we are
Mm-hmm.
going to do compounds. So
Mm-hmm.
in here, um, first, I'm sure I told which letters are full mouth letters. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Anybody know? Can you repeat the full mouth letters? The heavy letter, mighty letters. From here, look here. If we go through, which are the heavy letters? So the first heavy letter in our alphabet is ha, ha, ha. Every heavy letter we
Mm-hmm.
say, we raise the root
Mm-hmm.
of our tongue up high toward our palate,
Mm-hmm.
so we can make like build pressure in our mouth. When tongue goes up quite high,
Mm-hmm.
build pressure in the mouth, and letter head heavy. So
Mm-hmm.
this um, it is essential to rise root of your tongue up so
Mm-hmm.
you can make letter heavy.
Heavy.
Only one letter where you can, when you can touch the top, the soft palate as well, but rest of the letters, all tongue, root of the tongue stay
Mm-hmm.
away
Mm-hmm.
from the palate or uvula or anything. It doesn't touch anything, but it still rise up high, closer
Mm-hmm.
to the palate. So that
Mm-hmm.
is ha, ha,
Ha.
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 My mouth is not round, but it's just the back of my tongue, root of my tongue is up. Ha,
Ha.
ha,
Ha.
ha, ha. So this is letter ha. The first heavy letter is ha. Then the
Ha.
second heavy letter is sad. Sad. Where ha
Sa.
come from? The um,
Up
at
of
the
the tongue.
last part of your throat.
Mm-hmm.
Because this is a throat letter. The last part of your throat comes ha and ghain. Gha, and ha.
Mm-hmm.
It comes from there. Ha and gha. Ghain and ha. So ha and Ghain is also heavy letter as well. So we will put them together. Yeah, because they come from throat. So this is a set out of 6 throat letters. This is the set which comes from the adnal halq. That means the nearest part of your halq of your throat toward your mouth. Ha. And then qaf. Qaf comes after ha, the throat after when throat finish, there is after the uvula, the hanging flesh in our mouth, right at the back. When we open our mouth wide, we can see that flesh. When child is crying so much, with the wide, full wide mouth, you can see their uvula. You can see that hanging flesh in the middle of the throat, and you can see. So that part beside uvula toward your mouth, the soft palate, cough with 2 doors, it touches there. Root of your tongue rise up high and hit the soft palate. The uvula, beside the uvula. And this is cough. After throat letters, ghain and kha, 2 letters heavy, and then comes cough, 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 heavy letter. This is heavy. For this letter, for a second, your throat, your windpipe properly blocks out. Because why? Why totally blocks? Everything blocks. Your breathing blocks, your sound block. Can somebody tell me? Because we already discussed about these letters. Why it is blocked? What happens? Hmm? What happens? Why it's blocked? Because the root of the tongue is touching the palate. There is no any space for anything to go through because it's blocking the path, blocking the passage. So that's why what Arab did, because of course this is Arabic language, and the people who were expert in language Arabic, they what they did, they didn't like all Arab as well. When they spoke, and if they didn't if they were struggling, I can say struggling with a letter, to say a letter or to say a word, they would change. What they did here, they moved root of the tongue away from soft palate. After touching, they moved it. So it made a bouncy sound, like you throw a ball on the wall, and when it hits the wall, it makes sound and it comes back. It bounce on the wall and comes back. So the then because qaf is it is the makhraj of qaf, that root of your tongue touches the soft palate. This is the makhraj of the qaf, letter qaf. Then after qaf is our other letters comes, then is our dad. I am coming from the back of our mouth. Like I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I started from here. If you can see the picture, I started from here. So there was Hamza, and this was Ain and Ha, and this was Ghain and Ha. Ghain and Ha. And that flush part hangs here. And then come Qaf. So the root of your tongue goes up and touches this part, and then what happens, touches the here, somewhere here, that flush is hanging somewhere here, so touches here at the soft part, where is that you can see the pink if and you can touch, and you feel like you are going to throw out everything. That soft palate is not easy to touch. And the same back of your tongue, which we can't see, it's not easy to touch because you feel like you are going to throw out everything. So that's why you feel sick. So that is a cough. And then comes our this part, either side of our tongue touches the top top, the plates of five top molars at the back teeth, either right side or left or both. So what happens? That is dod, dod, dod. So this is very heavy letter. No any, maybe no any language. That's what scholars says. No any language, other language rather than Arabic have the sound of dod. Only Arabic have a sound of dod. Maybe similar to this. All the other languages have this sound similar to this, but not this exactly this sound. Dod. Okay. And then what happens? So for dod, root of our tongue goes up, rise up. Don't no touching, but only rising up high. Middle of the tongue, like go the boat shape. Boat shape. It stretches toward our mouth, toward our teeth, front teeth. It stretches and it stops before it touches the makhraj of dal here, behind two upper teeth. Stops there. That is dal. So this is our, so kha, ghain, qaf, and dal begun. So then is our, after that heavy letter, that means our sword. And for sword, tip of our tongue touches the um, behind bottom teeth. They called Snaya Sufla. The Arabic name is Snaya Sufla. The Arabic name for the top two teeth are front teeth is Snaya Ulia. And the Arabic word for name for bottom two teeth, front one, Snaya Sufla. Sufla mean down, bottom one. And then our sword, I told you where it touches, heavy, because the tongue root of the tongue is up. Ta, ta, now the makhraj of ta and dal and ta is here, behind two upper teeth on the gum area, bumpy area on the gum. That is our ta's makhraj, and it is heavy. Za, za is also heavy, and for za, the tip of the tongue goes under your two upper teeth on the edge. Tip of the tongue touches the tip of your two upper teeth. And these are all the seven heavy letters, they have a phrase. We learn phrase of 7 heavy letters. How? We say hussa, as you can see these red 3 words. If you remember these 3 words, they all are covering heavy letters, 7 heavy letters, 7 heavy letters. How many? 7. Qaf, ta, za, ghain, 4. Sad, dad, 6. And the 7th one is ha. So this is our, these are our heavy letters. What are they? Heavy letters. So what did we learn? Name, sound, shape, and makhraj of the letters. So far we done names, sounds, shapes, and makhraj. That means house of the letter, home, their homes, where they come from, where they exit from. How they exit, that we still need to do. That is a qualities, that they are qualities. So we still need to do sifatul huruf, the qualities of huruf. But at the moment we done mukharajul huruf. What? Mukharajul huruf. Mukhraj is singular and mukharaj is the um, plural. So we done mukharajul huruf. We done shapes, sounds, names of the letters, all of them, the Arabic alphabet are completed. Inshallah ta'ala. Now, these, 1 minute, I want to see something. I'm looking for heavy letters, if I could find heavy letters, maybe not. This picture is somewhere else, not here. Okay, now we are going to see if we can recognize these. Who is ready to read any of these? Can somebody read this one? These are compounds.
I will.
We make compounds.
Can I read?
Who is talking?
Madijo.
No, no, is somebody talking in Urdu in your home? Yeah, you talk, that's fine. You don't have to close it. But I'm saying is somebody speaks Urdu in your home. Okay. Now, inshallah ta'ala, who wanted to read? Okay.
No, no, no.
Okay. Now, this is inshallah alif. And if we join alif with lam, so first comes lam because we always start from right to left. Arabic is right to left. English is left to right, but Arabic is right to left. So this is Darsul Sani, that means the second lesson. First one we done in detail, and the second is this. And can somebody read this one? I don't have many
Hey,
people here.
hey you.
Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Okay, you can read.
How are you, sister? Sorry.
Alhamdulillah,
Okay,
alhamdulillah.
I will read. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألف لام ألف لام ألف با ألف لام ألف لام
So this is
Lam.
capital lam. Okay.
Yeah, capital
Lots
lam.
of
Yeah.
lots of different shapes of lam, but this is
Mm-hmm.
a capital lam. Lam
Okay, capital lam.
capital lam can come
Mm-hmm.
on its own, and also
Mm-hmm.
lam
Mm-hmm.
is with the
Yeah.
alif, joined with alif can come. Okay, now next one.
Yeah. Lam alif.
So this lam is coming in the end with alif in the tummy. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Uh, alif ha.
No, no, alif never let's join anything
Oh,
after it.
the alif never join. Yeah, sorry.
It's lam.
Lam.
Yeah. This is
Lam alif.
another very unusual shape of lam when
Mm-hmm.
it is joining with maybe jim, ha, or ha.
Mm-hmm.
Then lam
Mm-hmm.
come like this.
Okay. Lam.
Yeah. Joining with any of these three letters, lam will take this
Mm-hmm.
kind of shape, which is
Shape.
here.
Okay.
Lam alif.
Yeah.
Lam, sorry, lam ha.
Lam ha.
Yeah. Next.
Lam. Lam alif.
Mhm.
Ba lam ba. Ha.
No, no. This is calf,
Calf. Calf.
calf,
Sorry.
calf,
Calf.
calf.
Yeah. Calf.
So
Calf.
this calf comes at the
Mm-hmm.
beginning.
Yeah.
It will join. It will come
Mm-hmm.
in the middle as well, as you can see here,
Yeah.
and it will come like this in the
Mm-hmm.
beginning. Yeah. So
Beginning. Yeah.
this is calf, and this is
Calf
calf.
and calf.
This is
Yeah.
capital calf. This is
Mm-hmm.
capital calf.
Capital calf.
That's
Mm-hmm.
whole calf. Okay.
Yeah.
This one.
Calf bar.
Mm-hmm.
Calf bar. Calf lamb.
Calf.
Calf.
Alif.
Calf lamb. Oh,
No,
calf
no, no.
olives.
When it comes like this, it is alif.
Mm-hmm. Alif. Okay.
Mhm,
Calf olive.
mhm. Because alif comes in the end. Yeah, alif
Mm-hmm.
normally come in the end, or like sitting in lamb's tummy. Sometimes
Mm-hmm.
it comes like this.
Yeah.
So alif, if you see something before and
Mm-hmm.
then you join the other letter, then
Mm-hmm.
it will be never alif. It will be
Never
something
olive.
else. Maybe lam,
Else.
something else,
Mm-hmm.
because alif doesn't like any other letter coming after it,
Joining.
joining. Okay,
Okay.
next.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Calf. Calf olive.
Uh-huh,
Ba calf ta. Ta calf sa.
uh-huh,
Ba ta
uh-huh.
sa. Noon. Ya. Ba alif. Ba alif. Ta
No,
alif.
no, no, no. This is a
Oh,
look. Look, this is ba alif.
ba alif, yeah.
What is this?
Noon alif.
Noon alif. Noon
Noon
receive.
alif. Yeah.
Yeah.
Noon alif.
Mm-hmm,
Ta alif.
mm-hmm.
Ya alif. Sa alif. Ba ba sin. Ya sin. Noon sin. Noon sin. Ta sin. Ta jim. Ya ha. Ba jim. Ya mim.
Okay, now
Ba
in
mim.
here,
Mm-hmm.
ba jim in here, yeah? Okay.
Mm-hmm. Ba jim, yeah.
Okay. Ba mim, you are here now.
Yeah, ba mim, yeah, I'm there. Ba
Okay.
mim, yeah.
Okay.
Ta mim.
No, this is
Where am I?
here.
1 second. Oh, here. Noon meme.
Uh-huh.
Noon meme. Yeah. And ta meme. Oh no, sorry. I jumped a lot.
No, no, it
Because
is
it's
right.
my phone.
It is
Okay, it's
Tamuin.
right. Okay. Yeah, ta meme. Okay. Ta meme. Ba ya. Ya ya. Noon ya. Ta ya. Tha ya. Noon ba lam. Ta noon lam. Ba ya lam. Ya ta lam. Tha lam.
Mm-hmm.
Noon ba noon.
Well done, mashallah. Well done.
Thank you.
Very good. So
Thank you.
you know them from before, yeah?
Yes, I know them from before.
Have you read all Qaeda?
Um, Not really, but I've done most of them.
Okay, most of them. Okay,
Hmm.
inshallah ta'ala. So these are actually all the alphabet
Hmm.
in compounds. That's it.
Yeah,
Yeah, joined together.
yeah.
So we
Join
need
together.
to recognize
Hmm.
when they come in different shape
Different
or
shape. Yeah.
they change the
Hmm.
position, then
Hmm.
how we will remember them. Because some
Hmm.
letters will change the position of their dots as well.
Hmm.
When they come in different shapes, can
Hmm.
come with the like changed shape or
Hmm.
something
Shape.
else
Hmm.
in the middle or like here noon
Hmm.
is sitting in the middle. When
Hmm.
noon will sit or ba sit in the middle,
Hmm.
they will come like this very small one.
Small
Okay,
one. Okay.
very
Hmm.
small one. But can
Hmm.
ra, zal, dal,
Hmm. Hmm.
hamza, alif, can they sit in the middle?
Hmm. Yeah.
Can any of those letters sit in the middle?
Uh, which one did you say? Raw.
Ra,
Raw.
za, dal, zal, hamza, wow,
They
alif.
don't sit in the middle.
They
They
don't
don't sit
sit
in
in
the.
them. They
They don't
don't
sit in the middle.
like anything
Hmm.
after them. They are
Hmm.
happy if they come in the
Hmm.
end.
Hmm.
They are happy to come in the end, but they
And they are
don't want to join, let anything join after them.
done after them.
So this one, if you can read,
Okay. Ba noon. Ba noon. Noon. Ta ya noon.
where is Ba Noon Noon? This one.
That
Okay,
ba
this
that's
one,
starting.
first one,
Yeah,
first one.
that's the first one. Yeah. First
Okay.
one. Yeah. Ta ya noon. Ya ta noon. Sa noon. Jim ha.
Jim
Ha.
Ha Ha
Jim ha. Ha.
Ha.
Yeah. Ha.
Mhm.
Ha. Sa. Ha ba. Jim ta. Ta ha ta. Ya Jim ba.
Mhm.
Ba ha ta. Oh,
Next one.
ta
Mhm.
ta.
These are. You're reading this one, yeah?
Which one? Oh, the third one, the third line. Yeah, this is ta.
This called
Yeah,
ta marbuta.
ta
This called
marbuta.
और ta mudavra और
Mm.
ta rondta. We say rondta.
Yeah, ta
Okay.
ronta.
Any like rondta or ta
Mm-hmm.
marbuta.
Ta
Or so
marbuta.
this ta is a
Mm-hmm.
open ta, whole ta.
Okay. Yeah.
Whole ta. This ta
Mm-hmm.
is rounded up, like they
Mm-hmm.
made it round. So that's why it says round ta. And a round
Mm-hmm.
ta turn into ha, this ha,
Mm-hmm.
when we stop on it.
Yeah. Ha. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
And then what
Mm-hmm.
happens?
Mm-hmm.
So this is ha. This is its
Mm-hmm. Ha.
original shape. Next one.
Yeah. Ba ta
Uh-huh.
ya ya ha ta ro
Mm-hmm. Okay,
nun.
if you are tired, no problem. We
No,
can
no,
do
no.
another time.
I'm okay. No, I'm okay.
Okay.
That's fine. Nun nun ta
This way. This one.
me. This is ha.
This is ha. Now this ha and this
Uh-huh.
ha and this
Uh-huh.
ha, all
Uh-huh.
these different shape, they
Shape,
are
yeah.
shapes of ha.
Mm-hmm.
Which ha, which comes from like further
Mm-hmm.
part of our throat, last part. So
Yeah.
that is makhraj of
Ha.
ha. Ha. So this is ha,
Ha.
this is ha, this is ha.
Mm-hmm.
So we need to recognize now.
Yeah. Ha. Yeah. Ya ha ba
Hmm.
ba. Where am I? Ba ha ba ha lam.
The baha
Ba ha lam.
na
Let me see.
alif.
Alif. Ba ha alif. Yeah.
Alif happily sit at the back.
Yeah. Yeah. Ba ha alif. Ba ha mim.
Hmm.
Dal.
Hmm.
Zal.
Okay.
Jim. Jim dal. Ha zal.
Hmm. Zal, softer
Zal.
letter.
Yeah.
What is
Zal.
the makhraj of zal?
Zal. The mahrija. Zal.
The tip of your tongue
The tip of the tongue. Yeah.
touches
To
the edge
touch
of
the
you.
palate.
No, 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 no,
Palate.
no, no
Oh, the
palate.
thing. Sorry, the teeth.
Tip
Yeah,
of
the
your
teeth.
two upper teeth. Tip
Yeah, the
touches
upper
tip.
teeth. Zal.
Tip
Yeah.
touches tip.
Zal.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Zal.
Okay,
Yeah.
next.
Yeah. Raw. Zal.
Za,
Zal.
no zal. Za.
Za.
Z-E.
Oh, yeah. Za.
Mm.
Za. Raw. Za. Jim. Raw. Ha. Za. Raw. Za. Ya. Raw. Ta, za, sin. Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Sin, sheen, sin, lam, sheen, lam, sod,
Sod.
do, sod.
No, 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 the in the end.
No,
No, the.
oh yeah, sod.
Stay in the makhraj of Sod. Sod. What
Yes,
is the
sod.
makhraj? Edge of your tongue
Tongue,
touches behind your bottom two teeth.
tooth, yeah.
Sod.
Sod,
And
sod
raise your tongue from the back up.
from the back.
Okay.
S-
Next one.
Sod, yeah. Dod,
Mm-hmm.
to, zo,
Zaw.
zo,
Okay. That's
sod.
if you are tired, that's fine.
No, 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 I'm not tired.
You are not tired. Anybody
No.
else? Anybody else want to read?
Sod, ba,
Okay.
dod, ba,
Sod. Sod. Ba.
sod, sod, ba, dod, alif,
So this is Thaw. This is Thaw.
mm, yeah, to,
Thaw. Thaw ba.
to, to, yeah, to,
Thaw is
ba,
heavy, yeah?
yeah, to, ba,
Mm-hmm.
dod, alif, zo, alif,
Zaw. The where the zal is coming from and sa, the same
do,
place.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
dod, alif, ain, ghain, hamza, ham, ain, ain, za,
Za. Za. Now this is zippy
za,
sound.
za,
Za.
za, alif,
Mm-hmm.
za,
Where is Alif Za?
ghain,
Ain.
ghain,
Ain.
oi,
Ain Za.
ain, za, ain, ra, sod, ain,
This is Ghain or Ra.
ghai,
This is
od,
Ain Za.
za,
Ghain Ra.
ghain, ra, yeah,
Because this
ghain,
is.
ra,
Uh-huh.
sod, ain,
Mm-hmm.
dod, ghain,
Ghain. No Ghain.
ghain, ghain,
Yeah, from the back, from the throat,
yeah, from the back,
not from
ghain,
your mouth.
okay,
Okay.
ghain,
Okay.
yeah, ba,
Uh-huh.
second, it's a bit, okay, ba, ha, dal, oh, long,
Okay.
yeah, ta, ain, z, z,
Where is
z,
Ta? This is Ba Ain.
ba, ain, ba, ain, dal,
Uh-huh.
ta, ain, zal,
Zal. Zal. Softer letter.
zal, yeah, zal,
Okay.
hamza,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
one second, dhamma, no, not
Mm-hmm.
dhamma,
Yeah,
dhamma,
it's not Dhamma.
it's not dhamma, one second,
It's
wow,
not Dhamma. It's
wow,
Hamza sitting on
hamza,
the Alif. Hamza sitting
alif,
on Alif, and Hamza sitting
hamza,
on Wow,
sitting on wow,
and Hamza sitting on
hamza, sitting on
Ya.
yeah, mhm,
So Hamza says,
hamza,
yeah, Hamza says
Hamza.
No matter if you like or not,
Mm-hmm.
I am going
Mm-hmm.
to sit on you.
And you,
So
okay.
these Hamza normally sit on any of these
Mm-hmm.
three.
Yeah.
When it comes in the middle of the
Mm-hmm.
word,
The
doesn't
word
want to
sit
move
on the.
anything, the um,
Mm.
it will just Hamza will sit on chair of Alif, Wow or
Mm-hmm.
Ya.
Oh yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So well
Mm.
done. Alhamdulillah. This is our
Alhamdulillah.
so just only few left. These one.
Yes.
So inshallah we will continue.
Lam.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
will
Okay.
learn inshallah. So well
So
done.
I will.
May Allah
Yeah. I
subhanahu wa
will.
ta'ala reward you whoever talk then
Allahumma
can
amin. Mm-hmm.
inshallah ta'ala.
Mm.
Where are you coming from? Where
I'm
you
from
from?
the Gambia. I'm from
Gambia.
Gambia.
No, from
Yeah.
here.
Oh, from here. Yeah. I live in London.
Okay, London, mashallah. I
Mhm.
don't know. Yeah. So did you come before as well?
I was listening before.
Okay, mashallah.
Yeah.
Good, good. No problem.
Yeah.
Whoever want to learn, it's better
Mm-hmm.
I am teaching one and I can teach more people together. So it will be a good if good uh, idea to start now because we are still on the learning process of alphabet. Yeah, inshallah ta'ala.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
we will finish here.
Cough. Yeah.
Okay, we will finish here.
Cough.
You want to read? Okay.
Yeah. 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 I will. I will finish the reading. Yeah.
Okay.
Only this left, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Cough. Wow. Cough. Wow. Fa. Wow. Fa. Cough. Lamb.
Mm-hmm. Cough. This is heavy cough.
Cough. Yeah. Yeah.
Fa
Coughs. Yeah.
cough lam.
Cough. Cough. Yeah. Cough. 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 Fa. Cough. Lamb.
Mm-hmm. Now
Cough.
I
Fa.
normally says
Mm.
fa cough
Cough.
lam.
Cough.
Fa cough lam.
Fa. Cough. Lamb.
No cough. Qaw. Akko.
Cough. Cough. Cough.
Akko.
Cough. 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 Yeah. Cough.
Cough. Yeah. Next.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Cough. Fa. Lamb.
Mm-hmm.
Ya. Fa. Mim. Mim. Ha. Mim. Lam. Mim. Ta. Mim.
Okay.
Ta. Mim. Ta.
Well done, mashallah. So these
Okay.
are our alphabet finished.
Yeah.
And
It's okay.
so may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept from you and me
Allahumma
and
amin. May Allah.
everybody.
Yeah. Allahumma
Inshallah. Subhanaka Allahumma wa bihamdika. نشهد أن لا
amin.
إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. والعصر إن الإنسان لفي خسر إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل محمد وصلى الله تعالى على خير خلقه محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين. Amin,
Allahumma
summa
amin.
amin, amin,
Amin.
amin.
Ya Rab.
May Allah give me ability to
Amin. Amin.
keep
Amin.
teaching. Okay.
Amin.